Hey everyone, we are back for day 5, and you're probably thinking, does this woman not ever change her clothes? Well, I do. I have just decided to record these videos all within the same day because why not? They're pretty simple and straightforward. Now, regardless of that, this is my take on new spring fashion, some lovely earrings, and I'd love to know your feedback. How did it go for day 4 in the alignment of your world when it came to your home? I'd love to know. Send me an email. And yeah, I really am looking forward to hearing the feedback on that. Now, so to get into day 5, we are looking to declutter more pieces. Now, we picture home first. We're going to pick which can be a very difficult one for people, and it is your digital world. Sorry, let me say that again. Your digital world. Now, your digital world, we're going to focus on two components. That's going to be your cell phone. So it's going to be your cell phone. There we go. It's going to be the apps on your phone. So you're going to look at your phone, you're going to look at your apps, and you're going to say, okay, what are some apps that I just don't use anymore? They're not worth my time anymore. You're going to delete them. You're going to say goodbye. You if you're actually very happy with your apps, you can also go into your subscriptions and be like, why do I still have this? Do I need this? Is this of value? If it's not, get rid of it. Cancel your subscription on the things you don't need that are app based. And I would like for you to pick 3. I think 3 is a good enough number. So if you can do that, amazing. Now your second option is to go on your social media account, whether you have a Facebook, an Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, I don't know. Pick whichever social media app you are using and go through who you follow. Go through, I know on Instagram you can click somewhere where it says, accounts I don't really interact with anymore. Go through those. Be like, you know what? I don't need this anymore. Is it in alignment with who I am today? That is the most important part. Because if it's not in alignment with who you are today, then get rid of it. Same goes with the apps. If it's not in alignment with who you are today, it's done. You know, for example, I personally don't use Facebook very much. I've grown to enjoy it for some of the community aspects, yet I don't have Facebook Messenger on my phone. It's not a priority in my life. So I've deleted that app long ago. I will only look at Facebook through my laptop. That's how it goes. And if you need to be specific like that, go for it. Do it. Make it happen. But allow yourself to just declutter on the things that just no longer serve you. And maybe that is the people that you follow as well, in terms of friends that you have known since, I don't know, elementary, and you literally don't talk to them anymore. You wish them well, but you just don't have anything in common. That's totally okay too. But yeah, do it and have fun with it and get to learn and explore. Even have a moment to be like, what do I love and enjoy? What am I always frequenting at? And hone in on that and love yourself for it because you are magic and divine. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. You know what? I don't hope. You're going to enjoy this challenge at the end. I know you'll feel better. And if you don't, well, you will. There's no option. So let me know how you found the challenge, and that will be it for day 5. Catch you tomorrow.